Highland Contractors was born out of necessity that the community showed for exterior renovations. We specialize in anywhere from roofing to siding, windows and doors. If it's on your home or business, we're going to make it beautiful. So the Episcopal of St. Luke and St. Simon Serene, also known as the Two Saints Church, and it's located right in the center of downtown Rochester. It's actually the oldest public structure in Rochester. The church was suffering from multiple water leaks, which was actually damaging a lot of the beautiful wood that was inside the church. To fix these issues, we needed to change the roof, the copper flashings along the bell tower, as well as the gutters. So we had multiple trades involved in the process. First, the original underlayments to the church contained asbestos. So we had to bring the abaters in during tear-off to make sure that they were able to contain the asbestos in the underlayments. Next, we brought in our copper specialists to do the copper flashings around the bell tower. We installed the gutter straps, put the new roof on, and installed the galvanized bronze gutters. And then finally, the snow guards were installed to ensure the safety of the pedestrians below. So I believe the project managers at Highland did a fantastic job coordinating the project from beginning to end. The height of the roof and its location in the city were two of our biggest challenges. There wasn't a lot of room to move equipment around the building, and we had to use scissor lifts to get up to the eaves. Another serious challenge that we faced during the project was the 2 to 3 feet of snow that fell. Our highly skilled technicians are trained to work year-round while keeping the job on schedule. So a lot of people would just see this as replacing a roof. At Highland, we see this as preserving a historic building in the center of the city that we love.